Okay, so I'm going to edit my graph. So I came here, I clicked on the graph that was already in the template and pushed edit data. I'm going to change this one to men and this one to women. And my categories are first going to be I felt good about myself. The next one, it gave me energy, and this is talking about physical activity. And the last one is I was less stressed. And then I'm gonna delete Germany and France over here. Okay, so for men, 48% of men said they felt good about themselves, and 57% of women said they felt good about themselves when they participated in physical activity. For energy, 27% of men and 38% of women. And for stress, 26% for men and 34% for women. Okay, so now it makes this graph for me. So I am just going to go like that, and there we go.